Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. You guys remember my sister Krista? Hi. We're going to be going through the holiday haul box for St. Patrick's Day today. Yay! The cost of this box holiday to holiday is $89.99 or $89?
$89.99.
$89.99 per holiday. I'm sorry, the dog's barking at something. You do have the option of choosing an annual subscription, which is $79.99 per box, plus you get an extra box, a bonus box. A nice perk with a subscription is you put in your month for your birthday, and that holiday closest to that month, you get an extra birthday gift. I haven't got my holidays at my birthday's in November, so we'll have to wait and see what we get in the Thanksgiving box that's extra. But so far, loving this box. If I have a referral link to give you guys any kind of discounts, I will link it below. All right, so we've got the holiday haul box for St. Patrick's Day. Look how cute.
Very cute.
What does it say on the front? The original holiday decor box. So I thought it was going to say something St. Patrick's-y, but it's got horseshoes and gold coins and shamrocks all over it. It is so cute. All the boxes come holiday themed.
Yes. That way you can pack everything back up when you're done and put it away in the closet, and you just have to look for the decoration for the holiday and pull it out.
Yep. And if you continue to get the boxes year after year, you can store the same holidays together.
Yeah.
So the Valentine stuff, even though it was a Valentine decor box, we still have some of the decor out because it's actually season. It's universal.
The LED candle, the candle hold plate, those kind of things, you know, leave out year round. Use them.
Yeah.
You hold it.
All right. So inside the St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. It's the regular tissue paper for holiday haul. So they've got their sticker on it.
Makes it so cute.
It is super cute.
Open it up.
Oh no, you have to do this one because you're the tea-towel person.
Let's see what's in the box. Okay. This is how it came packed.
Inside of the box,
nicely packed. And another tea towel. So now I can take down the Valentine's Day one since it's after Valentine's Day, and put up the St. Patrick's Day one. And oh my goodness, this is adorable. It says, "Go for the gold," and then it has shamrocks. And the shamrocks have a little bit of glitter to them, and so does the gold. And you got the cute little things. And let me open it up.
It was so hard to remember not to use the Valentine's towel for actually a towel.
So it's another good size, good quality one. And I understood someone who unboxed it said there was like several designs that you could get for your tea towel.
Oh, so they might be different.
So you might get something different if you signed up and subscribed for this.
That's so cool.
So this is cute.
I love that. So the next thing is, can you hold that side? A shamrock garland. It looks to be, how long would you say that is? About 5 feet, 4 or 5 feet long?
These are
yeah, this is nice. It's on
quality.
A twiny, I don't call it burlap, but is that burlap?
Well, kind of like a burlap rope.
Yeah, it's a really nice.
So cute. You can put it on the mantle. You can wrap it around for a candle holder. We saw someone do that with this. So there's lots of different uses. Put it again across a wall for, you know, if you're a teacher, it'd be great in the classroom for a little bit.
Across the front of your desk kind of a thing.
So really cute ideas to go with that. Super cute.
All right, your turn.
Okay, so next
I think that might just have to be a twofer.
What looks like to be a candle.
Oh, a candle. Last time we had a battery operated candle.
And so this one is
like a real candle.
A real candle. Got some
I like both kinds because I don't always want to have something actually on fire.
So this one's called Irish Coffee. Coffee is made by the Boston Wood Company, and it's an 8-ounce soy candle, hand poured, and it has a little shamrock in the middle. So it's a nice size candle. It has some good weight to it. I'm looking forward to smelling it. Oh. It smells divine.
Oh, it does. It smells really nice.
The Irish coffee creamers you get at the grocery store. Imagine that intensified with coffee and cream and sweetness and vanilla. Oh yeah, the vanilla. That's what it is. Oh, I have to close it because I'm going to time sniffing it. So
I have to go get some coffee after this.
Yes.
Okay. The next thing I'm going to have to dig through the squares to get to it. Oh, okay.
A candle ring.
No, it can either be a candle ring or a wreath.
How cute.
Let me open it all the way out and see. It's smaller than
the wreath we got last in the Valentine. So I really think this is a candle wreath.
Well, you could
I mean, you could still hang it on a small wall. It would be really cute.
It's got
Look
little
at that.
sparkly horseshoes and little shamrocks.
It's adorable.
It really is. You just need to fluff it out nice.
Yeah, fluff it out. So like a small, even on at your desk, if you have a cubicle.
Oh yeah, that would.
This would be so cute on a cubicle wall because it's just doesn't take a lot of room, but gives a little bit of holiday flair to it.
Super cute. But you could just set it with the candle inside.
Set it like the candle, like this.
Use that pedestal from the Valentine's box.
Oh, the pedestal. Box. Yes, the pedestal from a Valentine's box with this and
that would be so pretty.
It's perfect.
I love that.
Ah, cute.
Okay. The last, is that the last thing?
Let's see. No, there's more.
Oh, there's more. This is a lot in this box.
Now this,
how cute
I'm
is
trying
that?
to hold this back. Look at this. This is adorable. And they said you can put your, this is just fits perfectly.
It's got a little ring inside
for
of
the candle. And,
well not quite perfectly.
Well, it's a little bit smaller candle.
Yeah.
But, and it's vented on top. I heard, I read
her
say so you can actually use a lighted candle. So even if you had to only put a votive in it, this will be cute on a fireplace.
Yeah.
Hearth, really, really cute. Something like that, and put another candle in, or even a battery operated candle, and just a cute decoration.
I wonder if the little one we got last month would fit in there.
That's what I'm thinking.
I think it
the
might
battery
be too
operated
big.
one. This one, the bottom base of the candle just is just a smidgen too wide to fit in it.
But if you had a regular pillar candle without a jar, it should fit nice.
It should fit nice.
Okay, the last thing is a little bookshelf sign or whatever. It says, "Let the shenanigans begin."
It's very cute.
That is adorable, and it's wood. I don't feel like it's metal.
No.
It's like, it's not heavy, but it's not like featherweight either. It's nice. It's got a little hang in the back.
Yeah, if you want to put it on a wall, or you can set it on a, like we would use it on our bookshelf.
It's got a big enough base to just set on its own, or like she said, you can hang it.
Even at your desk at your office, it would sit on it cute.
That would be cute.
Yeah. And then, of course, she always has a QR code so you can look up other stuff about the products and things like that.
I really like this box.
Yes.
So the box we had, how many things?
So we have 6 items.
6.
And so these are nice versatile items you can spread throughout the house, put office, classrooms. I mean, there is so many things besides, you know, we still got the kitchen taken care of with the cute tea towel. So,
and even out of this box, the lantern thing is an item that can be left out year round.
Year round.
Like, it's nice that so far every box has had something that is easily left out year round.
Because I like changing up the decorations on the fireplace hearth. So having this that can go there and be a general decoration is nice.
Well, I want to thank you guys for joining Krista and I today for the holiday haul box for St. Patrick's Day. This was another fun one. I'm loving this subscription already.
Yes.
Hit subscribe, like, and notifications on these videos, and I'd really appreciate it if you shared the content with friends and family that you think would enjoy it as well. But for now, you guys have a great rest of your day from Beth
and Krista.
And Krista.